Alright then, just taking a quick look at Verasity on our daily time frame here for another daily update on the channel. Before we begin, please do go down below and sign up to BITUNIX. They're giving you a 30% bonus if you deposit and trade on their platform. If you deposit $1,000 and trade, you'll receive a $300 bonus instantly. Really good reward for people who want to be trading these markets. So just taking a look at Verasity here, as we can see, not too much going on really. We have come down below this big range that we've been in recently, as you can quite clearly tell here. Obviously we've come down with that big liquidation cascade we saw across the altcoin market, around a 70% drop for Verasity here, before recovering to not much of a drop, to be honest, looking like we're sweeping liquidity below all of this area here, coming all the way down into a really interesting spot. Obviously you can see we are bouncing out of this previous level of structure which we formed in the previous bull market 4 years ago, as you can see. Since then, things haven't been looking too good for Verasity on the macro, but I still feel like this is a crypto that could potentially come around and come good. I'm going to actually change my Fibonacci level now. As you can see, we have got a new bear market low currently. As you can see, the bull market has begun for a lot of cryptos, but Verasity has not been one of them really. We have been having some bounces off of the lows. You can see here we have been throughout this bearish period of the market, starting to pick up in some areas. We did have this nice little pickup here with the Trump pump, up to around 1/8 of a cent there. Before coming down, we did have this really weird erroneous pump here, followed by a crazy liquidation spike to the downside, which I've drawn on the chart because you can't actually see it here. We came down, swept the low again, came back up to the high again, trickling to the downside here for a good while, and really never really getting that kind of pickup that we've been looking for. Bitcoin has been chopping up and down and all over the place really, as we can see here. Although overall still having a really fantastic bull market, as you can see. No signs of slowing down yet, still holding really good bullish market structure, although the impulses to the upside haven't been as big recently. But right now Verasity really is just waiting for the altcoin space to wake up. All of our smaller altcoins have not really had any kind of capital rotation from the large caps. Usually we see capital rotate from Bitcoin down into Ethereum and then down into smaller cryptos, back down into Dogecoin, large caps, and then into small caps like Verasity, for example. We've just not seen any of that really in this cycle. Pretty much for the whole year across our altcoin space, you can see quite clearly loads and loads of these larger cap cryptos are all in ranges, or at the very least underperforming what you would have expected. This liquidation candle for Cardano is absolutely wild, by the way, as you can see. But right now Verasity really just waiting for the altcoin space to wake up. We have still been waiting for this for the whole cycle and not yet seen it. But these are usually the times, in my opinion, psychologically, when things are boring and they look really bearish. In my head, that's when I think I should be buying, and when things are really euphoric and I'm thinking things are going to go up forever, that's usually when I should be selling. And we are definitely in a period here, if you believe in Verasity for the long term, where we should be buying. I think that this is still going to come good and potentially come and sweep out some of these areas of liquidity. You can see we've got so much liquidity being built up above here. People are probably piling into shorts on this, thinking it's going to go to zero, and that's usually when you start to see some nice reversals back to the upside. On the hourly here, I would say really we're just stuck under this daily fair value gap still, which is here. You can see we rejected this once, and right now really Verasity, apart from this big candle here, just looks like it's had a bit of a drop, a recovery back to that area, fully retraced it, and now we're just going to wait and see which direction the whole market goes. Right now just chilling and waiting as usual for something to happen. As always, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.